And welcome again to this training. And in this video, I'm going to teach you this new feature that we have just added into our platform, into our Cosmic Club Store platform, or if you are in the dedicated Club Store account, you could also find this one. And you can see here, if you are going to your admin account, in order for you to go to your admin account, you just need to click this icon here, the top right side of your website. You're gonna see your name and your image or your picture, profile picture. So we're gonna click that one. It will redirect you to this page, to your admin page. If you are the owner, if you are the admin, then you will going to be redirected to your admin. As you can see here, there is a new section here called cash flow. You're gonna click that one. You're gonna see this one. So at first it is disabled. So you just need to enable that cash flow section, or the cash flow quadrant, or the cash flow features of your Cosmic Club Store account or your dedicated account. So if you're gonna enable that one, it will automatically be enabled. Okay, so let me just refresh it one. So as you can see here, I am now I do enable now my cash flow, or my cash flow feature. So basically, these cash flow features will going to monitor the ins and outs of the cash. So it monitors your cash on hand. So like if you have a cashier, so dun sa drawer, at the drawer of your cashier, this is where the monitoring happens. So the ins and outs of the money inside your drawer. And you could also monitor here your other payment accounts, like if you are getting orders from online, you're gonna monitor your other payments. So like this one, it's cash, my credit. So it can be monitored now, the ins and outs of the cash or amount. You can also withdraw this outflow here. This is the withdrawal. If you're gonna withdraw from your cash drawer, or if you're gonna withdraw from your GCash, from your bank accounts, you're gonna click this out. Okay, so what's the limitation between Cosmic Club Store, the basic account, and the dedicated Club Store account? So in basic account, or in Cosmic Club Store account, you're gonna only monitor your cash, and not with the other payments here, other cash flow, right? Unlike in a dedicated account, you can monitor all of this one. So if you are in the Cosmic Club Store account, probably this other cash flow here is disabled, and you only have an enabled on cash on hand. How are we gonna do this one? How are we gonna use this one? We're gonna click this inflow. You can enter now the amount. So for example, you are giving your cashier a certain amount of money for him or her to start accepting orders from her cashier desktop. And you're gonna put the money that you have given to her into the cash drawer. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna enter the amount that you have given to your cashier. So let's say you give him around, let's say 1,500 pesos, and enter the description. So let's say money, cash given to cashier, cash given here. So example one. So gonna save that one. It will automatically save the date. So as you can see here, there is an inflow of 1,500. Okay, so you can monitor that one. And here in the flow details, you're gonna see the flow of the ins and outs of the money. As you can see here, I have here inflow, which is 1,500. So the new balance now is 1,500. Okay, so what will gonna happen? So for example, your cashier now will going to punch items. So shall we say the customer now, we're gonna order this one. So let's make an order, and let's see what will happen to that to the cash flow there. So say your customer order 5 of these. Okay, we're gonna customer order this one. Okay, this one here. Just add it to the cart. So per se, this Nova here, she ordered 3 of these. So 5 of these. Well, it's 839. So let's proceed this as POS, since the customer is now ordering from your offline, or from your store, direct from your store. We're gonna proceed as POS. As you can see here, so let's say he has or she has a money of 1,000 pesos, right? And there's a change. So as you can see here, if the total amount of the customer ordered by the customer is 839.50, and she has a cash of 1,000 pesos. So there's a change of 160.5. So this is going to be the inflow now is 1,000 pesos. And the outflow is 160.5. So that's the amount that your customer or your cashier will give to your customer. Change. So this is going to be an outflow. And this is going to be the inflow, 1,000. So we say the name of your customer. Let's just pick one here. The save order. So the POS now is already complete. So your cashier can now print the receipt. And she or she can choose between normal printing or POS or thermal printing. Now let's go to the cash flow. As you can see here in the cash flow, there is an outflow of 160 pesos and an inflow of 1,000 pesos. If you're gonna click this flow details here, okay, let's refresh this one. You can see here there's an amount that's inside in your cashier. It is equivalent to 839.51, but the cashier or the customer send or receive you, I give the cashier 1,000 pesos. So the inflow now, the balance now inside your cash, or in the total amount that's coming inside your cash drawer is 2,500. So the last time we enter 1,500, and now plus 1,000 from the money of the customer is now 2,500. And since your cashier give customer a change, so the outflow now is 160. All in all, it is 2,339. So the content or the amount that is inside your cash drawer now must be 2,339. Okay, so that's how the cash flow, very easy, how your cash flow will function. Now, how about if this one here? How about this cash, this other payment here? How it can monitor? How it can be monitored? By the way, before we go to that, I just want to show you this cash on hand here. What if I'm going to get money from the cash drawer? So you just gonna click this outflow. So you say I going to get 500 pesos from the cash drawer because I want to pay electric bill. This is an example. So if you're going to save that one, it will not be on outflow. So the remaining amount on the cashier drawer is now 1,813. And if you are going to go to flow details, refresh this one. As you can see here, there is a 500 that is outflow from so the total money in is still 2,500, but the total money out is 660. So the remaining is now 1,839. That's it. That's the cash on hand of the client, of your cashier, because you withdraw 500 for electric. That's how you're gonna monitor your ins and outs of your money of your inside your cashier. Now, what about this other cash flow here? Now, this other cash flow can only be activated if you are in a dedicated Clubstore account. So let's go to my dedicated Clubstore account. Just the same account here. So if I go to cashier or cash flow, so the other cash flow here is enabled. So this means that any amount that will go inside into my cashier will be monitored here, right? So how does it goes? So if, for example, a customer orders from online, so shall we say we're gonna order this one. So this is a customer ordering from online, from his house, from here or his house. We say he's gonna order these two of these. That's it. Then we're gonna proceed to check out, because since the customer is now checking this out from the online, customer will gonna this out. Fine. From the address details. Then shall we say the customer chooses to pay for GCash, right? So you're gonna pay you GCash online. So he or she gonna check this out. That's it. You're gonna screenshot that one. And if we go to admin, this is now the order, 2,096. Now, if we go back to cash flow, it is not yet reflected here in the GCash. because it is still pending, still not processed. The moment that it is now complete, so let's complete this order now. Processing, let's go directly to in transit. So still not there. So you can see here in the cash flow, still not there. That amount is still not entering here. Okay, let's go back to orders, and if we going to complete this order now, from in transit going to complete, we go back to your cash flow. As you can see here, the amount is now entered into the G section. Okay, and if you go to flow details here, there's this one. It is now here, Gcash, and the reference is this order. So if you're gonna click this reference now, it will now go to the order that we have just created, that the customer have just created, just completed. So that's how basically the cash flow features of our Cosmic Lab Store account function. Although in Cosmic Lab Store, the basic account, you only have the cash on hand or the cash monitoring, but in a dedicated Club Store account, you can monitor even Gcash or whatever payment option you set. Now, whatever payment option you set here in your payment section. So as you can see here, I've already set up Gcash, PPI, and credit debit card here in my payment section. So that's what other cash flow will also be reflected over here, right? So that's how it works. So I hope you follow this one, and I hope that you can use this cash flow feature very well to monitor the ins and outs of your money inside your. Thank you. Good day. Bye bye.